Here's how to draw easy cartoon faces for beginners, step by step.
So when we draw cartoons, we can go ahead and make this simple choice on what we want to do. We have ears that we can choose. We have a set of heads we can choose. We can go ahead and choose a different nose, and we can choose from any one of these eyes. So let's start by making some choices here. Go ahead and choose one set of ears, one set of heads, or one head, one nose, and a set of eyes. Then let's go ahead and create our first little cartoon character.
I need to pick a set of ears. All right, so we got our ears here that we're gonna pick. I'll tell you what, let's do this in pencil first. So got ears, we got the head, we got the nose, we got the eyes. All these have separate videos on my channel if you want to check them out. I think I have one on mouths, but maybe I just didn't make a video. So I'll tell you what, let's start off with the egg head. All right, so we'll start off. All right, so a little egg head there. Okay. All right, now what we want, we get some ears. Let's do the long ears. All right, so we got some long ears. Cap them off just a little bit. All right, now we want a nose. Let's go with a big round nose. All right, let's change that just a little bit. All right, so we got the big round nose. Now we need some eyes. Let's do shocked eyes. The eyebrows really make the shock. And then on the mouth, you can have a bunch of different mouths. You know, you can have a little smirk. You can have kind of like a meh mouth. You can have a squiggly mouth. Maybe they're making a face or they're sick. You can also, you know, if you want to, you can have mouths with lips. However you want to do it. So let's do this since it's shocked. Let's go ahead. Shocked. All right, and then like a lot of these, if you want to ink them in, you can. All right, so we'll say this is our first one. And I'm rushing through this. You can take your time a little bit. Have a little bit better marker control. Let's say he's talking to somebody. Let's go ahead. Let's pick a different head this time. Let's go with the old blockhead. All right, so on the blockhead, we'll connect that down here. And with the blockhead, let's go ahead and do the boxy ears. So we'll do the boxy ears. All right, and let's do the broad nose. All right, so we'll do the broad nose. All right, broad nose. Let's do kind of a more of a devious smile. All right, then we just need a set of eyes. So let's go. I'll tell you what. Let's go with the mad eyes. Angle down, about halfway up. Kind of a little beady there. All right, so now we have our mad eyes. I'll tell you what. When we ink this in, let's make a little bit of a change here. Let's go. Broad nose. Mad eyes. Boxy ears. Blockhead. Little devious grin. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and just put a ball cap on him. Maybe we'll make a little snapback. All right, so there's our cartoon. Again, you can go through this right here, pick any ears you want, head, nose, eyes, and create as many mismatches as you want to, as many different ones as you wanted to. So even if we're taking this guy and we're doing something similar again, all right, let's say we're gonna do the blockhead again. And let's say I'm just gonna do the boxy ears and the same kind of devious smile, but this time let's add the sad eyes. All right, now he looks a little bit more nervous than anything. All right. So again, do whatever you want to. Maybe you end up making a comic strip with characters like this. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope that made sense. Again, take a screenshot of these. I've got videos on all these on my channel that on the shorts tab that takes you through these, and just have a field day with it. Again, make your own little comic from it. All right. See you guys.